Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add products to your Shopify store in 2023. Adding products to your Shopify store is fundamental. So, or especially if you want to set up your online business and showcasing your offering to potential customers. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of adding some new products to your Shopify store. So make sure to complete with all the necessary details and images, of course. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply go to shopify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you right away to the home screen or main screen of Shopify. So make sure to simply access your Shopify admin or account if you have an account by clicking on login into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can always or first scroll down, read more information about it. If you want to know more about Shopify, then simply click on start a free trial. You can even see from here the plans. So just pause the video and see the what you're going to pay yearly, monthly. And here you will find all the features as you can see. So you can pause the video and check it all by your own. So for me, I'm just going to log in into my account here and or my store basically. And as you can see from here, so while you are creating your account, normally if you just created your account, you'll have to complete the setup guide. And completing the setup guide, the first step of the setup guide is adding your first product. So for me, I still did not add any products. So I will have to simply go and click on add products here. If you already did that and you want to add the products, if you already have your store, etc., you can simply go to this list panel, click on products right here, and as you can see, you'll find an option from here to add your products. So for me, I'm just going to go home, click on add products here, and from here, we will have to start. So once we click on add products, we'll have to add now the product details. So starting by the title. So as you can see, short sleeve t-shirts, or this is just an example. You can type whatever you want. So for me, I'm just going to type like, I don't know, like as an example, Lakers hat. The description. So here you'll have to type the description of your products. Of course, I'm now going to have like matching title with descriptions. For you, make sure to have enter everything accurate. Here, an example, this cup is, I don't know, is homemade with love. So here, of course, you can even edit those texts. As you can see, you can go and make it as hidden. You can just make it as a paragraph. You have here a lot of type of hidden, and even as a black or block quote. So here, as an example, you can even make it bold, italic, underlined, and even you can change the color of the text whatever you want. You can even do the alignment of that. You can add or insert some images or insert a video or even insert a link if you want to. And from here, you'll be able to do some bulleted lists, some numbered lists, and outdents and indents. And you can even insert a table, and here you can clear the formatting. So from this, you'll be able even to generate text, as you can see. Can generate some product description. So simply features and keyword. You can simply here enter the keywords and features of your products. And as an example, here hats, yellow, I don't know, big, something like that. So tone of voice, experts, custom, daring, playful, depending on whatever suits you. So I'm just going to with experts. Special instructions, this is just optional. And I'm just going to, yeah, why let's just do the example here. Replace some words with emojis. So replace some words with emojis. Okay, so replace some words with emojis and click on generate text. So here you'll have the suggestions as you can see. So this is a yellow Lakers hat is perfect for showing up your team spirits. It features a large brim. You can say shady and show support at the team. Represent your team in style with this fashionable accessory. So as you can see, you can simply click on keep and here you are. You have your so you have your description without having to write down anything. So they write for you everything, and here you are. You have the description without even thinking of it. So here you'll have to add the files of the the product. As you can see, accepted images, videos, or 3D model. You can add from a URL or from files on your PC. So example, I'm just going to add the files. I'm just going to add like, I don't know, an Amazon logo here. For you, make sure to add the logo or image of your products here. Scroll down and here we'll come to the pricing. So this pricing at the moment with my current place currency, for you, you will find like your currency here. I've already even made a video on how to change the currency of your products, of your store, or even if your account, of your account, if you want to, as an example. So here is an example on this pricing. I'm just going to put 100, why not, and compare at price. If you don't know what that is, you can simply go to this option here, and as you can see, to display markdown, enter value higher than your price, often shown with a strike through or thorough. So here, an example, I'm just going to type like 120, and as you can see, cost per item. So you can even charge the tax on this products or don't, depending on whatever you want. So cost per item, as an example, I'm just going to do like 85. As you can see, the profit is, they will even calculate the profit for you in the margin. So for the inventory, as you can see, the shop location. So you'll have to go and enter whatever suits you here. And as you can see, the quantity. So you can even keep track of quantity if you want for the customers that you're going to order the products or not. So as an example, quantity should be, I don't know, I'm just going to type like 40. Shop location, this is going to be quantity. As you can see, continue selling when out of stock. You can do that as an example. Or this product has a CKU or barcode. You can simply go and enter your not C, SKU or stock keeping units and barcode if you want to here. So enter it if you have it. If you don't, just don't check this option. And if you want to even people keep buying it if it's out of stock, make sure to check this option. So as you can see, the shipping, this product requires shipping. If it requires, make sure to enable that and enter the weight of it. So as an example, just like 0.2 or 0.1 gram. You can even add some customs information. Add options like size or colors. You can do that. And simply, once you finish, click on save. Once you do so, as you can see, congratulations, you added your first products, and you can add a lot of products like that. So after configuring like everything on your products, you can even go and set like some SEO information and review everything on your online store right here. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can simply go and publish your store. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully added a new product to your Shopify store. Now your customers can browse and purchase this fantastic addition on your online business. Of course, you can even as an example, import some products from another website if you want. Go into these products right here, and an example, you'll be able to import them from here or even export the Shopify products from here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.